What's good with the WTS gang? It's your boy WTS Sporty with another one. Another one of them cracking ass videos, man. But look, man, go ahead and subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell and comment and like on this video. I ain't gonna talk your head off, man. We're gonna get into hectic, chaotic motorcycle crashes. Source, Moto Madness. Let's fuck with it right now. Come on. Damn! Speed wobbles off the dribble. Speed wobbles. Speed wobbles. Oh shit. Damn. Oh no. I've never done that before, but I felt some shit like that before on the road. That sucks. That Sportster is fucked up now.
Yeah, I'm good. I hit a pothole back there.
Nah, I wasn't no pothole, my boy. It was something more complicated than that, my nigga. Damn, homie. Oh, come on, bro. Why y'all ain't slowing down? Why he ain't slow down, man? This motherfucker right here in this little GoPed, man. Why you ain't slow down, bro? You didn't even slow down and see what he was gonna do. You just assumed he was gonna be all right with it, dummy. Running from, boy. Oh yes. Oh, you going down. Oh no. Oh no. Hurry up and get back up, boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't look behind you when you ride a motorcycle, yo. Look in front of you. That all happened because this motherfucker want to ride the motorcycle and look behind him. Right after he makes his left turn, he want to start looking behind him and shit. Now he eating the grass, nigga, like a cow. What's going on? Oh, what? Nigga, you hit the brakes, fool. Your boy hit the brakes. He hit the fucking brakes, man. That's only gonna happen if he hits the brakes. If we go back and we take a look at how that happened, you'll hear the screeching of the rear brakes. He caused his own fucking accident. Jose, stop riding with this motherfucker. He's a square. Rear brakes. Weird ass motherfucker. You rarely even supposed to hit those. You rarely hit the front brakes, bro. You know, a motorcycle's a front brake dominant. You feather those back brakes just to kind of like balance it out. In my opinion, anyway. Don't take my word for it, but you know.
Stay there. Stay there. Don't move.
It didn't really look that bad, actually. I think his pride is more hurt than anything. We got that canyon run. Fucking some shit up on the canyon. Oh, he's traveling way outside the... You know, he didn't downshift right. You know, if he downshifted properly, he would have been in the right gear to manage that speed going around that corner. His boy took off. He didn't even know he went down. Hell yeah. Show me this. A nigga, stay off that yellow paint, stay off that white paint, and off the gravel from the right side of the road. We should be fine. As long as you stay off that paint. Oh my God. How'd that happen? I don't understand that at all. I understand this. Okay, that happens. It's a part of stunting. Look, man, if y'all don't want to drop your bikes, don't start stunting. If you ain't dropped your bike or you ain't went down and you ain't got no battle scars, you ain't been fucked up or broken up or no shit like that, you is not a stunner. You ain't trying to stunt. In order to be great, you have to go through some failures, man. You got to go through some bruises, some bumps, some cuts, and some lacerations, and possibly some motherfucking fractures, hairline to San Andreas fault. But that's how it go, baby. Get up. You know how it is. You know that phone crack. That was the Android. I hate. Oh, come on, boy. This fucking truck, man. It was this truck. It's this fucking truck.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh. We running that back. We running that back, bro.
It was at this moment.
Oh! Y'all know this is gonna be a thumbnail. He fucked up. What an idiot, bro.
He needs
you
some
doing?
milk.
That nigga needs no milk. He needs to turn that bike license in. You're going too fast, bro. I'm gonna tell you that right now. No, you're not. Maybe I'm scared for you. Okay, yeah. All right. Let's just say 20. Oh, he got fucked up. He got so. Yeah. This dude's on the wrong side of the road, right? You're going too fast. He hit the front brake. He must have hit the front brake.
Hey,
He 12'd it. 12 o'clocked it.
Whoa, way too hard. No. Ow.
Fuck.
Ouch.
Okay.
Ouch.
Hey, man. But you was getting better, bro. You was definitely getting better. Definitely. I ain't gonna lie. That shit was worth it. I know you guys probably thinking I'm sounding crazy and all that shit. Not at all, bro. That shit was definitely worth it because that ain't the first time he failed if he's gotten good enough to wheelie that bike and 12 o'clock it and get all that hang time and shit. He's dropped that bike 100 times before what we just seen in order for him to even get that bike up and fucking just have the hang time with it and shit like that. It takes bruises to get that good. Oh my God, bro! Fuck.
¿Hablas en serio, tío?
Fucking asshole.
¿Que no me has visto? Está grabado, tío.
Yeah, he just came out there. Don't move him. Leave him alone. All right, so I would be downshifting right about now. God damn it. Oh, shit. He slapped and kept going? He broke his kickstand. He broke some shit off the side of that bike.
Yo, you good? You good? Oh.
Downshift. Let it ride out. Downshift. You didn't downshift, but that wasn't that bad though. Fuck that Jixer up. Yeah, he laughing. That wasn't that bad. Hurry up and pick that Jixer up though. There you go, my boy. That a guy.
Alright, nobody saw that. Let's go.
Yep. I love it. Get up and keep rolling. Yep. That's about right. What? Is there somebody on that bike? Look over again, dude. Oh. What the fuck happened? What happened? What the fuck was that? Wait, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? This guy's good. He's good. Come on, let's go to the next scene. Okay. Oh shit! So a bike flew up behind this rider and hit her or him in the back. I'm not sure. Damn, fool. That's super fucked up, man.
Oil. There's all oil. There's all oil. Go forward. Press the clutch. Pick it up.
Help him pick it up, bro. Which one just went down?
1, 2.
Fuck. Oh, great.
Hey!
You going to fucking pedestrian. Damn it. Fucking pedestrian, man. He's going too fast. He's not in the right gear. I can tell you that. I can hear his engine. He's not in the right gear. He's too open. He's too wide open. Yeah. Fucking idiot. You're too open, dude. Shut it down being third. This motherfucker's probably in fourth. What are you doing, bro? Go around that person. Do not play with people in their fucking cars, bro. Come on, man. Pick another part of your day.
Oh.
Downshift, asshole.
Boah,
Downshift.
Fußraste geschliffen. Diesmal mit der linken Seite fast den Graben gefahren. Holy.
What are you talking about?
Puh.
I don't
Sollte
get it.
langsamer fahren. Sollte langsamer fahren. Oh, ich bin im Graben!
What? Man, get the fuck up off that bike, man. Somebody go get his keys. Look at his fucking keys, man. Come on, B.
No. Ich bin verrückt.
I don't even know what the problem was. I think he went through some of that, some of those pine stickies, whatever the fuck. Those things on the side of the road that's right in front of his bike. Those shit still cause you to go down too if you rode through a patch of it. Damn, bruh. Yeah, I don't know. I think that was his fault. This motherfucker's on the line. Graceful ass falling ass nigga. Crazy baby, you know how it gets down on the WTS station. Kaboom, yeah, you know how I'm talking, man. I done said enough. How y'all feel about that, man? But look, subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell so you know when I drop more videos like this. Comment and like, man. Tell your friends about it, man. Subscribe, man, if you like your mom, man. If you love your mom, subscribe, man. Fact, man. If you love your mom, subscribe. That's it.